Welcome to Woodlands. We're sandwiched between the two market towns of Bampton in Devon and Woodlands in Somerset. This stunning property has so much to offer. Our clients have been here for 40 years. They've transformed it into a multi-generational property with the opportunity for income generation. But best thing to do, come on inside and let's have a look around. As a result of the extensions and improvements our clients have made, this property now has 7 different reception rooms, which really make sure they take in the very best of all the views and the surrounding land. Even the cat's happy to sit and have a look around the garden. So energy efficiency is always something we're thinking about with rising energy costs, and once again here this has been taken into consideration. Not only are we double glazed, but we actually have solar panels and we have an air source heating system for the central heating, ensuring that those energy bills are kept to a minimum. So we're now in the principal bedroom. This is a real luxury of space. It's a split level room with a dressing area, a dressing room, an ensuite bathroom, Juliet balcony with views. It's just lovely. So on the first floor, we actually have a total of 3 bedrooms, with a 4th bedroom on the ground floor with an additional shower room, which just creates that flexible living space. Gently does it. One of the rooms currently used as a games room with a full-size snooker table. What a great place just to relax and enjoy time with friends and family. So we have another cleverly adapted outbuilding here, formerly an indoor swimming pool, now this beautiful koi pond. It's got a really zen-like feel. It's a great indoor space. French doors onto the gardens. When the weather's a little inclement, what a great space to be in. When you're outside at Woodlands, it really doesn't disappoint. The beautiful gardens ensure that you can enjoy the sun throughout the day. Summer house, seating areas, it's just stunning, surrounded by wildlife. And then of course you've got the field. So in total we're about 9.7 acres, and the field just gently wraps around, providing great pasture space. So if you are an equestrian enthusiast or you just like a bit of land, this really is perfect. So if you want a bit of outside storage, how does 7,000 square feet sound? That's an awful lot of room, and it's made up of a number of outbuildings. Our floor plans break them down into detail, but we're going to show you just some of the highlights of what's in store. And then we have this fantastic storage space, perfect for your digger, great workshop space. We've even got a mezzanine for additional work and storage area, power and lighting all connected, and a roller door with an extended height. And to finish off with, let's not forget the detached cabin or annex. So we have 2 bedrooms with some super views, great for family members or change of use and a bit of income generation.